I'm Linn with Sticky Fingers Cooking Portland. When I first saw the opportunity and the website, I was so impressed just right off the top. As I continued down the path, meeting everyone, it just really matched what I wanted to do in life at this point. It was meaningful. Inspiring kids in my community through cooking is actually a dream of mine. It's one of my passions. The idea of planting the seed of cooking and the passion for cooking and good food and good nutrition is just something that is just really important to me. What excites me the most about being a franchise owner with Sticky Fingers is just that I didn't have to start all over. It was all the systems were in place, brand. When I first saw it, I was like, oh, that's really interesting. They've really got it all together. And I didn't want to start from scratch, but I wanted to do something like this. The business model really fits my lifestyle. I wanted flexibility. I wanted to spend time doing something that I cared about. It's just a good business model. I can apply the business knowledge that I've had in the past with this opportunity to grow a business, and it's just really exciting to think about what I can do with it. If someone is considering the Sticky Fingers franchise opportunity, I would just say that every step along the way has been really smooth. The vision is not like anything I've seen before.